Do you know how to install a TVS Blaze series printer on a computer? In this video, I am going to show you how to install TVS Blaze MN 26NW printer on a computer. In this video, I am going to cover where to download its driver from and how to install it. So please come on the screen and follow my steps. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below, or you can download it from its official website. Both are the drivers are same. After download, you just need to right click on that and go to the WinRAR and whatever you have, the WinZip software, and then click on extract to. Basically, we need to unzip that file. It will create a folder like this. Double click on that and open up the Windows folder, and then click on this one, setup main. Double click on that. It will ask for permission, so please click on yes. It is now starting the TVS Blaze series installer. Select your preferred language and click on next. Now select the model number of your printer, this one, and then click on next. Now select the preferred connection type and then click on next. This is for USB and this is for LAN connectivity. You will have to put the IP address here, the printer IP address, and then click on next. It is now installing the driver, so please wait for that. It is installing the printer driver, scanner driver, and the software as well. Now please click on next. And as you can see, the printer driver and software driver and the scanner software has been installed successfully. So please click on finish to complete the installation process. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe button. Have a great day. Thank you.